Okay, creators, buckle up, because Insta360 just launched something wild. No, it's not another 360 action cam. It's a drone. Yep, you read that right. The brand best known for making cameras disappear, literally thanks to their invisible selfie stick tech, is now making drones appear. And their first flying machine is called Antigravity. Sounds like a Marvel movie gadget, right? But trust me, this thing's not sci-fi. It's real, it's sleek, and it might just change how we shoot aerial content forever. Insta360 swaps lanes, and so does DJI. First off, let's talk about how crazy this timing is. While Insta360 is busy taking flight with anti-gravity, DJI, yes, the Drone Kings, is about to drop its first ever 360-degree camera. I mean, it's like these two companies bumped into each other at CES and went, "Hey, want to trade toys?" And honestly, we're here for this role reversal. It's like seeing your favorite pizza joint start selling tacos, and somehow they're amazing too. Anti-gravity, built for creators, not pilots. So what exactly is anti-gravity? Insta360 says it's meant to redefine aerial exploration and storytelling, but let's skip the marketing fluff. Here's the real deal. Anti-gravity is a drone designed for people like you and me. Solo creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, and YouTubers who want cinematic, reframe anything shots without a pilot's license or a 6-person film crew. You get all the benefits of a flying camera crew, minus the actual crew. Your friends will be asking, "Dude, who filmed that?" And you can casually say, "Oh, just my drone." Now let's talk about weight, because trust me, this matters. Anti-gravity weighs under 249 grams, which means it's not just light, it's drone regulation friendly in most countries. No paperwork, no headaches, just charge, launch, and start capturing your cinematic dreams. Imagine stuffing this drone in your hoodie pocket, hiking to a mountain peak, and getting a jaw-dropping aerial 360-degree shot without needing a license or a backpack full of gear. That's what freedom looks like. 8K 360-degree video? Yes, please. And yes, this bird shoots 8K 360-degree video, not 4K, not even 6K. We're talking full-blown wrap-around-your-eyeballs 8K resolution. You can spin, zoom, reframe, and tell your story from literally any angle after the flight. Basically, you get to direct the movie after you film it. Can your current drone do that? Didn't think so. It's like having a DeLorean for footage. Shoot now, decide later? I wish I could do that with my conversations. This ain't just a drone, it's a whole new category. Here's where things get spicy. Insta360 isn't just calling this their first drone. Nope, they're calling it the world's first true 360 drone.
Why? Because instead of just slapping a camera on a drone, they've designed this thing as a flying 360 cam, a literal fusion of drone and immersive camera tech. Design-wise, it looks nothing like a DJI or Autel drone. It's got this futuristic vibe, like someone told a spacecraft designer, "Hey, build me a flying camera that doesn't suck." And boom, anti-gravity was born. Packed with power and a fan? If you pop the hood, or well, the fuselage, you'll find something very unusual, a giant metal heat sink and internal cooling fan. Yeah, a fan. On a sub 250 gram drone. That's almost unheard of, unless you've got some serious onboard processing going on. We're guessing it's doing real-time 360 stitching, which means you don't have to dump everything into your computer just to make your footage look good. The drone is doing the hard work mid-air. Lazy editors rejoice. Despite its featherweight class, this drone looks tough. The arms are beefy, the frame feels solid, and it gives off those "drop me and I'll survive" vibes. It's not some fragile toy, this thing means business. It's rocking brushless motors with fat windings, which translates to better efficiency and power. Translation? It flies better, faster, and with more stability than you'd expect from something this size. There's a chunky rear battery bay too, and the best part? It appears to support hot swappable batteries. That's right, no rebooting between flights. Just pop out the old cell, slap in a new one, and you're back in the sky faster than your camera's SD card can say formatting error. The foldable 2-blade props also make it super travel-friendly, just like DJI's mini-series. Compact, quiet, and efficient. A flying Insta360 X5?
Many are already comparing it to the Insta360 X5, but in the sky, and that's not an exaggeration. The potential here is massive: cinematic level control, full creative freedom, and a totally new way to tell stories from the air. Imagine shooting a travel vlog where you walk on a beach. The drone follows you, and later you reframe it as a cinematic wide, a punch-in close-up, or even a bird's-eye transition. One flight, infinite edits. The sky isn't the limit, it's the starting line. Insta360's Antigravity isn't just another drone, it's an idea made real. It's the merging of immersive tech and aerial creativity in one ultra-portable, creator-first package. Whether you're a content creator looking to up your game, or just someone who wants to capture epic vacation memories in a whole new way, this drone is calling your name. And hey, if Insta360 is taking over the skies while DJI hits the ground with their 360 cam, maybe we're entering a new era where creativity knows no bounds. Let's talk about another upcoming drone, DJI Neo 2. Let's go! You know that feeling when a new gadget drops and you instantly know it's going to change the game? Yeah, that's the DJI Neo 2. It's not just an upgrade, it's DJI telling the world, we're not done yet. The original Neo was already a crowd favorite, offering solid performance in a tiny package, but now DJI Neo 2 is officially FCC certified and ready to land in the US. That's right, this isn't some Reddit rumor or a blurry leak floating around Telegram groups. It's happening, and it's happening soon. Let's cut to the chase. Neo 2 is small, like palm of your hand small, but don't let its size fool you. Under the hood, it's running in full beast mode. DJI clearly didn't just throw in a few tweaks, they came to impress. It's got an 11.6 watt-hour battery, which is about 10.7% more capacity than the original Neo. While DJI hasn't confirmed the exact flight time just yet, the extra juice should translate to longer flights, extended tracking shots, and more creative freedom. No more mid-air panic when your drone screams low battery 5 minutes in. Whether you're cruising over mountaintops or chasing your dog through the backyard, this drone promises to stick around just long enough to get that perfect shot. Here's where things get even more exciting. The original Neo launched at $289 US. If DJI keeps the Neo 2 anywhere near that price point, we're looking at one of the best value drones of the year. It's the kind of gear that hits the sweet spot. Not too basic for creators, but not overkill for beginners. From first-time flyers to seasoned content makers, this drone has something for everyone. Want smooth aerial vlogs? You got it. Cinematic travel shots? No problem. Pet action sequences in slow motion? Heck yes. Built for creators on the move, Neo 2 doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. It's compact enough to toss in your day bag, yet powerful enough to compete with bigger drones on performance. It's that perfect balance of portable and capable, making it a dream companion for travel vloggers, real estate shooters, or anyone who loves capturing the world from above. We're still waiting on official camera specs and stabilization features, but based on DJI's track record and the FCC listing, it's clear the Neo 2 is built with creators in mind. DJI doesn't play when it comes to delivering smooth, stable, high-quality visuals, and we don't expect that to change here. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just another refresh, it's a serious contender in the world of mini drones. If you're hyped for the DJI Neo 2 and anti-gravity like we are, smash that like button, drop a comment with what you'd film first, share this with your fellow drone nerds, and don't forget to subscribe for more sky-high updates and epic gear drops. Let's fly into the future together, one awesome shot at a time.